Hi and welcome to the course. Game development is a dream career for many people, but only a few make it. The main reason behind this is most people never complete their first game. It's simple to follow tutorials and copy paste code, but not that simple when you have to make something of your own. This course focuses on teaching you how to do everything required for your game yourself. You will learn Unity Game Engine, how to get ideas for your game, where to get assets for your game, and how to publish your game. Unlike other courses that give you all assets and ask you to follow simple steps to assemble them into a game, this course will require you to get your hands dirty and do things yourself. You have to write your own code, make or buy your own assets. In the end, you will have a game that you can show off as your own, and this course will guide you through the process. This course is divided into 10 modules with assignments and quizzes. Your answers will be evaluated and a certificate of completion will be provided to you in the end. So let's get started.